No? Might have not fed. Just had a bad round. That ammo's kind of old.
Empty now.
Yeah. That ammo's kind of old. You might have had a few.